Okay, everybody, we're here with Liam, and we're going to be changing
the front brake cover.
The reservoir cover, right?
Yep.
What do you got? What are you going to put on it?
We are going to put on a Tusk Racing reservoir cap.
Let me see it. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
I think it'll add a lot of bling.
Yeah.
Say, I'll hold that for you while you get the other, well,
Here we go.
the other cover off.
So we have to do is pull this back, then pull the lead back.
A little bit.
And
okay.
Twist it like this.
I would do this one first since, yeah.
Unscrew it.
Okay, I'll hold that one. Take that one.
Okay.
Take a look. Is there anything else on there that needs to go in?
Nope.
Let's take a look. There's a float in there.
Now I got this.
This piece here has to come off. This piece has to come off. Okay. So you might need a towel to take that off.
Yeah.
It's all...
Got all fluid on it.
Here.
Here we go. Now it's off. Just wipe it off if you can.
Yep. Take the old one. I got it.
It's the old one.
Nice. It's really not the same quality. It's probably the same quality, but I like the Tusk one, right?
Yeah, it looks way better. We also got some other stuff that we'll be putting in. We got a back brake cap too. Okay, so here's the new one. Now we just gotta put the rubber piece on it.
Okay.
Which
goes like that.
I guess it'll just go like that.
Yeah, it snaps right in, right?
Yep.
Okay. I'll take the garbage from you guys.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. All right.
Now we just need the screws.
Did we lose the screws?
No.
Here. Here's one. Man, it looks good, right? Reassemble with the screws?
Yep. Dang, that's... I don't think that's in straight. Wait.
There you go.
Make sure it's tight, but not too tight.
Yep. Perfect. Here's a second screw. Wow, what a difference, huh?
Yeah, it looks really nice.
So there you have it. One Tusk front brake reservoir cap in blue installed by Liam. Right? All right. See us for more installation videos. If you like us, subscribe below, right?
Yep.
All right, man. Take care.